Welcome to EduMotion. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Introduction. Rahul is sitting in the balcony of his house. He is busy counting the number of scooters and cars in the parking area. He wants to know whether the number of scooters is more than the number of cars. In this lesson, you will learn to identify greater and smaller numbers. Numbers from 10 to 20. Look at these colorful balls. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let us add one more. We have 10 balls. 9 plus 1 is 10. Let us put these balls in a bucket. We now have a group of 10 balls. Take a new bucket. Drop a ball into it. We now have a group of 10 balls and 1 ball. Group of 10 plus 1 makes 11. Drop one more ball into the second bucket. We now have a group of 10 balls and 2 balls. Group of 10 plus 2 makes 12. Drop one more ball into the second bucket. Group of 10 plus 3 makes 13. Group of 10 plus 4 makes 14. Group of 10 plus 5 makes 15. Group of 10 plus 6 makes 16. Group of 10 plus 7 makes 17. Group of 10 plus 8 makes 18. Group of 10 plus 9 makes 19. Groups of 10s and 1s. Look at these ripe bananas. They look so delicious. Let us divide them into groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have counted one group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more group of 10. We now have 2 groups, each containing 10 bananas. 2 groups of 10 make 20. More and less. Look at these 2 pictures. Which of them has more sparrows? The first picture has 3 sparrows and the second picture has 5 sparrows. Therefore, the picture 2 has more sparrows than the first. Look at these 2 pictures. On the left is the Sharma family. On the right is the Pandey family. Which family has more numbers? Sharma family has 7 members. Pandey family has 5 members. Therefore, Sharma family has more members. Greater and smaller numbers. Recall the Sharma family with 7 and Pandey family with 5 members. Sharma family has more members. It means 7 is a greater number than 5. Therefore, we can say that numbers that come later are greater than the numbers that come before. 4 is greater than 2. 15 is greater than 10. Let us now look at these cases from the other side. Pandey family has fewer members. It means 5 is a smaller number than 7. Therefore, we can say that numbers that come before are smaller than the numbers that come later. 2 is smaller than 4. 10 is smaller than 15. Ordinal numbers. Look at these people. They are standing in a queue to buy milk. The person standing at position 1 is first. The person standing at position 2 is second. The person standing at position 3 is third. The person standing at position 4 is fourth. The person standing at position 5 is fifth. The person standing at position 6 is sixth. The person standing at position 7 is seventh. The person standing at position 8 is eighth. The person standing at position 9 is ninth. The person standing at position 10 is 10th. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. 2 groups of 10 make 20. Numbers that come before are smaller than the numbers that come later. Numbers that come later are greater than the numbers that come before.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.